In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent auto-concatenation of dimension rows or columns in Tableau. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to get a better grip on how their data is visualized without unwanted auto-grouping. To get started, first, you'll need to launch your Tableau application. Once it's open, navigate to your desired worksheet. It's essential to have your data prepared and organized before you dive into visualization, so ensure everything is set up correctly there. Next, we'll begin by dragging various data fields to the rows shelf, which helps organize how your data is displayed. Start by dragging the customer name field to the rows shelf. This allows you to see data grouped by each individual customer. After that, continue by dragging the segment field to the rows area. This step is critical because it will help you analyze the data further based on different customer segments, such as whether they are a corporate client or a home office customer. Now move on to adding the order date to your rows. This helps in breaking down data based on time, which can be incredibly insightful for identifying trends over months or years. Following that, drag the order ID to the rows shelf. Adding this field enables you to see each unique order in your data set. Next on the list is the ship date. Drag this field into the rows as well to further break down this data by when items were shipped. Then add the ship mode field to the rows. This will allow you to see and possibly compare data based on different shipping methods used, such as standard or expedited shipping. At this point, you should drag the country field to the rows. This step will provide a national perspective, which is helpful if you're dealing with geographical data and need insights across different regions or countries. Once your data is lined up, click on any name visible under the segment column. This ensures you have focused on the right part of your data. Navigate to the Analysis menu and select Table Layout. In the submenu, you'll see an Advanced option. Click on it to access further customization settings for your table layout. In the Advanced settings, you need to adjust the maximum levels of row labels. Set this to 7, which will prevent Tableau from auto-concatenating more rows or columns than you intend in your visualizations. Finally, click Apply, followed by OK. And there you have it. You've now successfully configured your Tableau worksheet to prevent unwanted auto-concatenation, ensuring your data remains displayed just the way you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.